Hey everyone, welcome to Sheba's Cookery World. In today's video, I'm making simple chocolate chip muffins which are eggless. You can make these for your kids and they would definitely enjoy it. You can as well have it as your evening tea time snack. Let's get started with the recipe. First, I'm gonna prepare some buttermilk by adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to a cup of milk. If you have ready-made buttermilk, you can use that instead. Give this a good mix and set it aside for 10 minutes. Now let's combine the dry ingredients. Into a bowl, add in some all-purpose flour. To this, add some baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon powder. I have added the cinnamon powder to enhance the flavor of the muffins. Mix everything well so that all the ingredients are well combined. Now set this aside and let's combine the wet ingredients. Take a separate bowl and add in some cane sugar. If you do not have cane sugar, you can use the normal sugar instead. Pour in some vegetable oil into this. And mix it. Add in some vanilla extract and mix it again. Now add the flour mix in small batches to the sugar and oil mixture. Also pour the buttermilk in small batches. Combine this mixture with the help of a spoon or a spatula. Incorporate all of the flour and buttermilk into this mixture in the same way. When the batter is ready, add in the chocolate chips. Gently fold in the chocolate chips into the batter. Now line up some muffin molds. These are easily available online or in any supermarket. Pour in the batter halfway through into each of these muffin molds. You can add more chocolate chips on top. These are now ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Bake these muffins for around 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let them rest on the wire rack for around 10 minutes until they slightly cool down. Eggless chocolate chip muffins are now ready to be served. Wasn't that an easy recipe? They also turned out to be super moist, and with every bite you can taste the chocolate flavor from the chocolate chips. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.